非营利组织原子科学家公布上新公布甲世界末日的时间，搁再半紧，将会离代表世界末日的正子时，干那剩85秒。主要原因就是核战的风险、甲气候变迁、人工智慧欠管制等等这风险，咱人是继续咧伤害地球。
That humanity has not made sufficient progress on the existential risks that endanger us all. We thus move the clock forward. The risks we face from nuclear weapons, climate change, and disruptive technologies are all growing. Every second counts, and we are running out of time. It is now 85 seconds to midnight.
这是总部伫咧美国芝加哥的非营利组织原子科学家公布上定性的讲法。若阵时间行到半暝12点，就表示人类的文明已经行到上尾站。即间讲2026年，敢若剩85秒的时间，表示有史以来人类上接近灭亡的时间点。去年是讲89秒。
The assault on the environment has, if anything, escalated. Atmospheric carbon dioxide and global sea levels have reached record highs. Droughts, fires, floods, and storms continue to intensify and become more erratic. AI is also supercharging mis and disinformation. But instead of working towards international standards governing AI safety, we are running headlong into an AI arms race.
原子科学家公布是伫咧1947年，也就是二战了后冷战的紧张局势当中，创立末日时钟，向全球人类来警示，离毁灭世界有偌近。冷战结束了后，这个末日时钟上济捌剩17分钟。公布指出，若是国家领导人甲各国共同拍拼来应对存在风险，安尼灭亡的时间就会当拖慢。公司新闻吴文玲编译。